The Kingdom of Jesus Christ, or KOJC, is accusing the Philippine National Police, or PNP, of conducting activities that might be detrimental to the integrity of the structures inside their compound. For their part, though, the National Police has an immediate answer to this new allegation from the religious group. What that new accusation is from KOJC, Patrick De Jesus reveals in this story.
In this video shared on social media by KOJC Legal Counsel Attorney Israelito Torion, allegedly taken at the Jose Maria College inside the KOJC compound, the sound of what seems to be drilling or digging in the ground can be heard. In another video, the continuous sound of drilling can still be heard, which, according to Torion, could affect the structural integrity of the building. In this photo, a deep excavation in the ground can be seen. It is still unclear where this is, prompting the KOJC camp to call on the PNP to grant them access to the basement of the JMC building to verify if any drilling has indeed been done there by the police.
Para kung hindi po totoo, at least happy kami, no? Pero overwhelming na kasi ang evidence kasi ang dami na kasi mga videos, hearing the sounds doon, at saka may nagpuslip po sa amin na yung picture na yan galing daw sa baba, sa JMC basement po. Dapat itong paghukay-hukay na ito, no? Kailangan ipresenta mo na ito sa korte, bakit ito necessary and reasonable.
The PNP had earlier suggested that KOJC leader Apollo Kibuloy and other accused individuals might be hiding in a secret tunnel or underground bunker. They neither confirmed nor denied the alleged drilling at the KOJC compound, stating that not all of their activities in serving arrest warrants are made public to avoid jeopardizing their operations. But PNP Acting Chief PIO Police Colonel Jean Fajardo explained.
Ay yung pong Section 11 ng Rule 113 po ng Rules of Court, kung saan nakasaad po doon ang sinumang pong officer na naatasan pong magsilbi po ng warrant at naniniwala po siya na yung kanyang inaaresto na tao ay naandoon po, ay meron po siyang authority to break in doon po sa isang establishment or even enclosures po.
The KOJC camp objected to this and called the ongoing PNP operations an overkill.
An arrest warrant cannot be used as a justification to conduct a very intrusive search, no?
It is now the 10th day of the PNP search for Kibuloy and other accused individuals at the KOJC compound. Vice President Sara Duterte believes Kibuloy is no longer in Davao City. However, the PNP insists the information they gathered indicates the accused, all of them, are still there. The police have searched about 50% of the KOJC compound, but resistance from some KOJC members continues to be a challenge for the PNP amid the fears of Kibuloy's camp of an alleged threat to his life, which is why he has not surrendered. The PNP asserts they are ready to provide security to the KOJC leader so he can face the accusations of human trafficking and child sexual abuse against him.
Ulitin po natin uli yung appeal po at assurance po ng inyong pambansang pulisya na bibigay po natin yung mga kaukulang seguridad para hindi naman po magkaroon ng agam-agam sina Pastor Kibuloy na sila ay malalagay sa alanganin po once they opted to surrender po.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.